morning. It is a little before 7. I am getting ready to go to church because I am on sound this Sunday morning. Um, so I'm packing up our stuff, or my stuff. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna grab a Pop-Tart for breakfast and we'll see what happens today. Yay! New elevator at church. The old one kind of burned up and didn't work anymore. So yay! It's finally installed. Cool. Yay! I'm home! Yay! So yeah. That's gonna be the end of me. Um, I don't know what to say. So, yeah, I'm home. Sarah has to go to work, unfortunately, but we are packing a bag and we are going to go back up to my mom and dad's house tonight after she's done with work so we can go to the Blueberry Festival Monday. Yay! There'll be lots of exciting stuff to see there, and we'll use our Bayou Billy cups and get some yummy root beer. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Church service went really well. Both services, first and second service. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, this pizza's totally a letdown in comparison to what I had last night. Um, so yeah, that's leftovers from Friday. Yummy. Sarah had to go to work, unfortunately. So I am here. Gonna watch some Hell's Kitchen. But yeah, when I got the pizza out of the refrigerator, I saw that she had posted this on our refrigerator. Yay, our drawing is on our refrigerator. Makes me happy. So now it's about 6:45. I am sitting in the car out in front of the Gap, waiting for my wife to get out of work so then we can drive up to Mishawaka and stay the night up there. Hopefully have some more pizza tonight. That would be yummy. Good stuff. So that's what's going on, waiting for her. It's about a 2-hour drive from here up to Mishawaka. So yeah, that's what's going on.
Look at the sunset. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is crazy. The sun looks huge. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look how gorgeous the sky is. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Woo. Now, get out of the way, bridge. There you go. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh. I cannot handle how beautiful this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna cough. Oh my god. So pretty.
Oh! It is late. Still watching the race. Sarah is here, getting ready to go to bed. See, Good night. So yeah, I'm going to edit some of our videos and try to get those all caught up and finish watching the race and then go to sleep. Because tomorrow, it's Blueberry Festival. So, good night, and we will see you guys tomorrow.